In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a progress bar in a Notion database. First, open the Notion database where you want the progress bar to appear. This can be a database you already use for projects, habits, goals, or task tracking, or it can be a new one you're setting up from scratch. The important thing is that you choose the database where tracking visible progress will actually be useful, because that will make the feature much more practical in your day-to-day workflow. Once you're inside the database, add the properties that will track progress. In most cases, this means creating one property for completed tasks and another for total tasks. These properties give Notion the raw information it needs to calculate how far along something is. Make sure the values you enter here are consistent and logical, because the progress bar will only be as accurate as the numbers behind it. After that, add a formula property. This is the part that allows Notion to automatically calculate progress for you instead of requiring manual updates. The formula property acts like the engine behind the progress bar, taking the completed and total values and turning them into something visual and easy to understand. Next, write a formula that calculates the percentage completed. The formula should divide the completed amount by the total amount, then convert that result into a percentage. This gives you a clean numerical representation of progress. If your total value can ever be zero, be careful, because that may cause the formula to behave incorrectly. It's a good idea to keep that in mind while building and testing. Once the percentage is working, add visual symbols or bars to show progress more clearly. This is what makes the tracker feel intuitive at a glance. Instead of only reading a number, you'll be able to instantly see whether something is barely started, halfway done, or nearly complete. A simple visual bar can make a big difference when scanning a database quickly. Now test the formula with sample data. Enter a few different completed and total values so you can see how the percentage and visual bar respond. Try low progress, partial progress, and full completion. Testing helps you catch formatting issues early and confirms that everything updates the way you expect. If the progress bar does not display correctly, adjust the formula. Small mistakes in formatting, symbols, or calculations can affect the final result, so review it carefully and make corrections until it looks right. Once everything is working, you can use the progress bar to track goals, habits, projects, or tasks, making your Notion database more visual, organized, and motivating to use.